Here's your fast stock market update. Last week we saw the S&P up 2%. What's happening? Well, we've seen now 90% of companies have reported their profits. And when we report those profits, of course, everybody's looking. Expected profits were 3.7% growth over the quarter, but 7% was actually achieved. So now the analysts are revising the projections. In fact, stocks moved more in the last 5-6 weeks based on guidance than they have profitability. In other words, if a company said it had good figures, they didn't matter. It was the guidance going forward that actually moved the stock. So as we look forward, the Bank of England have voted 7-2 to keep interest rates as they are, but they're likely to reduce. And that meant the stock market in the UK increased. Expect the same from America when the interest rates come down. Expect sterling to come down against the dollar, because if interest rates come down, people would rather get a higher interest rate in the euro or, of course, in dollars. As we look at the markets going forward, we got the reports out of the way. Summer, many people think the market goes down in the summer. Actually, the last 10 years, that's not been the case. In fact, the markets have made good profits in the summer too. What's going to happen? More good news expected from companies. Ultimately, we've still got companies like Starbucks struggling because of discretionary spending. In other words, if there's a choice, those companies are struggling, but we're seeing the other companies whereby people are going to buy its essential items. They're continuing to grow, and efficiencies mean their profits are going up right now, and that, of course, is good for stock.